Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Byte Boost. I hope you all are doing good. In the last video, we have covered sparklines, and still you have not watched that video and previous video, the link and the playlist has been given above. If you would like to check those videos, you can check out this wonderful videos. Now in this today's topic, we are going to cover about links. So how you can use this link inside the Excel sheet, this topic we are going to cover today. So without any delay, let's jump into the topic. So now let me create one symbol where we are going to take this symbol, and here let me create this symbol. Now simply go to the insert, and here something we call link. So for an example, if I would like to link something, for example, I would like to open anything, you can just link here. For example, here let me open this one and I click OK. Now if you will click here, directly it will take you to that folder. Now you can simply repeat this process with any web pages or any images, any videos, or anything which you have in your desktop or in the website. So simply this link work like that. For an example, if I'll click here and I'll go to the link, and let me open something, let me open this one. So simply now if I'll click on this image will be automatically open. So I hope you understood how you can use this link for your Excel sheet. To go to any previous Excel sheet or go to any Excel sheet, you can use this link as well. So if you have any doubt or queries regarding to this topic also, you can simply reach out on our email ID, or you can write on the comment section below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.